The SUN2000 is disconnected from the Wi-Fi router. We can check from the above aspects. First, check the inverter connection settings. Turn off your phone's Wi-Fi and mobile data. Place the phone close to the inverter. Open the Fusion Solar app. Click More and select Commissioning Device. Scan the device QR code. Connect your phone to the hotspot as prompted. Log in to the inverter. Click Set. Click Communication Configuration. Touch Router Connection Settings. Check whether the IP address and DNS IP address are empty or incorrect. If there is any problem, contact the device manufacturer for configuration. Check the inverter Wi-Fi function. Turn on the phone hotspot. Open the Fusion Solar app. Click More and select Commissioning Device. Scan the device QR code. Log in to the inverter. Click Set. Click Communication Configuration. Touch Router Connection Settings. Select a hotspot to connect to. Click Connect. If the connection is successful, the inverter Wi-Fi function is normal. If the connection fails, contact Huawei technical support. Second, check the environment factors of the router. Ensure that there is no barrier between the inverter and the router. Ensure that the inverter is within the valid coverage of the WLAN signal of the router. Check the router parameter settings. For the router problem, you can locate the problem from the preceding 6 points. If the Wi-Fi connection fails, contact your device manufacturer or network operator.